Hello people, so here I am today showcasing Invisibility. So as you can see right here, I have a white man who can see me on his screen, and if I want to hide from the man, all I gotta do is execute this script right here, and I already got it running, so I ain't gotta do shit. But they could have used this in the real Squid Game. So as you can see, I'm dressed up as Squid Game on my account to showcase it. So yeah, whenever you go to hide, you just go wherever you want and you press E, and then now you are invisible. You can walk around and do whatever, and then whenever you're ready to become uninvisible, you just click E again, and now I appeared on top of this man's head wherever I was whenever I was invisible, and I could do it again, and I appear, and I could do it again, and I appear. So you could be a real life Enderman, and yeah, that's it. So become invisible and die. Goodbye.